nice. International all on this side. International all on this side also. Oh my gosh. Look at this. The hammocks in between the trees there. Old, young, everybody's here. Look how clear the water is. Very beautiful. Amazing. Khem Beach. Good afternoon from the island paradise of Phu Quoc here in Vietnam. So in today's video I'm here on the east coast of the island, and what I'm going to feature in today's video for you is one of the premier beach locations on the island called Khem Beach. So this is actually my first visit to Khem Beach since arriving here on Phu Quoc. I've heard very good reports about this beach. I've just had a wander around prior to making this introduction. It's very, very busy on the beach, lots of international visitors here. There's quite a few people online saying the war is impacting travel and things of that nature. I personally haven't seen that here in Phu Quoc so far. Most of the places where I've been visiting have been extremely busy with tourists from all over the world. I've been to the Vin Wonders, I've been to the Grand World, I've been to many of the beach locations. All are very, very busy. So in today's video I'm going to feature Khem Beach. Like I say, this is one of the premier beach locations here, or from my understanding and reading offline. So I'm going to give you a tour around of the beach. Now there is lots of sun lounges, beanbag seating, lining all along the beach. There's also quite a few restaurants lining the back of the beach. So we'll start at the point where I've come on from the car parking area, walk in one direction first of all, and then I'm going to walk in the other direction. So without any further ado, let's go and explore Khem Beach. Okay, so here's the entrance to Khem Beach. This actually here says Sun Paradise on it. However, it's a little bit difficult to stand in the middle of the road and record it. But this is what you're looking at for your entrance. 1921 it says up there. Sunset Tropical Ballroom, Khem Beach, which is where we're heading, a New World Phu Quoc Resort. And we're going to be heading down here. And wow, will you look at that for a grand entrance. Ooh la la. Okay, so we've just come in from the main entrance up there leading down to Khem Beach, and this is what it looks like. I'm not sure whether that's a hotel or apartment. It's very impressive, and I just want to take you a small walk along here, just show you some of the beaches, some of the shops, sorry, on the beaches. We're going down to the beach. Men's spa here. There's quite a few customers inside there. See lots of shoes. Hello. And the Moon Mart convenience store. Oh, fresh coffee, juice, smoothies. Motorbikes for rent as well if you're staying in this area. There's the contact details. Some spas. Wellness spa. There's one of the Vietnamese girls. Hello.
Hello,
hello. Hello. So lots of spas and money exchange. Hello, how are you?
Hello.
Money exchange there. And then you have a whole host of shops and convenience stores just all along here. We have Albert Sand Hotel. And another money exchange here. Sun Hotel. Many places. Most of them, the majority are spas from what I see. And hotel and spa as well. Lots of places all along here. Some tourists in there. Staff outside here.
Hello, Subhamasa.
Hello, how are you? Vietnamese coffee, 25k. Street food, coffee and cake. Another banh mi here. Convenience store. So here's the banh mi's, 25 to 35 Vietnam dong there. Beef steak. So these are all shops leading down to Khem Beach. Well, shops, restaurants, hotels, smoothies. I've just had a smoothie from here. Very, very cheap. I've just had the coconut smoothie, 35k. Very, very cheap. Mexican food, cocktails. I'm just going to walk to this next impressive building and then we're going to head down to the beach. The juice bar here. Spa here. Maybe that's a hotel there. Shoreline Spa. And then we're just going to continue down the street to the beach. Okay, so I've just arrived here at Khem Beach here in Phu Quoc, so it's free car and motorbike parking. Got a nice track going down to the beach here. Carts bringing people down as well. Wow, look at this. Tropical paradise. This looks as though it's going to be very, very beautiful. So it's a sand track to the beach. The palm trees. Just take over these people. Wow. Some deck chairs line the beach here on both sides. They're very busy. Oh, lots of families. International all on this side. International all on this side also. Oh my gosh. Look at this. This is where everybody is, Bali. Now they come to Vietnam. Super, super busy in the ocean. Just look at that beautiful, clean ocean. So, so busy. Ooh la la. Wow. Okay, I'm just going to walk along the little bit of the beach just so you can see it's busy all the way along here. Let's see what kind of seating areas are available as well. There's different kinds of sun lounges. There's eating places in the back, restaurants as well. Wow. Amazing. So busy in the ocean. Beautiful landscapes as well in the distance. Old, young, everybody's here. Very, very good. You see all ages here, there's no specific age group. Young, old. Big, big crowds though. A restaurant on the top there. Lifeguard. Wow. Look how busy it is. All the sun lounges are occupied. They're not on the sun lounges, they're actually in the ocean. It's very, very busy in the ocean. Beanbag seating as well here. Not surfboards, I think they're like kayaks them. Maybe rent them. Wow. So nice. It's a little bit quieter down that end. How clear the water is. Right, we're back going in the other direction now. Let's just go and take a wander here. It's pretty much the same, super busy. You don't see this in Bali in the ocean. Maybe occasionally at Padang in Uluwatu, but you really don't see the beaches in Bali like this. But people aren't travelling because of the war. You can see that clearly with the camera. Nobody here. Empty. Wow, what a beach. So you've got plenty of bars and restaurants lining the back of the beach. A beer bar in the back there. Everybody's sat enjoying themselves. Wow. So we have some, this is a wedding. Very beautiful. And seafood in the back there. Some nice beanbag seating here. How beautiful is this? Amazing. Khem Beach. So many in the ocean. There's hardly any seats available. And this is as far as I'm going to go. The deck. So lots of restaurants lining the back of the beach so you can get food as well. And it looks as though it's a little bit quieter down this end. Show you some of the unique seating areas here. Very nice deck restaurant in the back there. Some pink sun lounges down here. We'll just go as far as this one. I'll call it a day at Khem, and then we'll head to south and look what that looks like. This is one of the best beaches I've seen here. There's the pink sun lounges here. Wow. Pink. What a great theme. And a lot quieter down this end of the beach. So beautiful. Crystal clear ocean. Wow. The hammocks in between the trees there. Wow. Fabulous. Okay, so that concludes today's video, my tour and exploration around the absolutely fabulous Khem Beach here on the east coast of the paradise island of Phu Quoc here in Vietnam. So as you saw with the camera, oh la la, what a beautiful beach location this is. We had all the restaurants lining the back of the beach, beautiful, nice, fine white sand beach, crystal clear ocean, lots of sun lounges and different seating areas, lots of people also very busy on the beach here. I'm sort of like everyone that's going on about the war affecting and impacting travel. It really doesn't seem to be the case here in Vietnam thus far. I've only been to the island of Phu Quoc. I'm going to be visiting Da Nang, I'm going to be visiting Hoi An, Hanoi, so we'll see what that brings also. But here in Phu Quoc, it's been very busy at all of the very popular tourist locations that have been this far, and this is an absolutely spectacular beach location and a must visit if you're staying on the paradise island of Phu Quoc here in Vietnam. So on that note, hopefully you've enjoyed today's video. Hope some of you find this video useful and take the time out to come and visit Khem Beach, and I shall say bye for now.